Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Markets coming down and down. What if Nifty reaches zero? What happens if Nifty comes down to zero is a very interesting question which we get regularly from YouTube comments. Highest of Nifty 50 is 26,277 on 27 September 2024. Today, closing was 23,533, around 10.4% down, and it has taken about 1.5 months to be down. Individual stocks are down between 10 to 30%. Bear market history in Nifty 50 index. March-April 1997, Nifty 50 index fell 20.2% and it took 27 days to reach the bottom, but to come to new all-time high, it took 78 days. August 1997 to November 1998, 38.3% Nifty 50 fall, and number of days to bottom 481, number of days to new all-time high 224. February 2000 to September 2021, 53.3% is the Nifty 50 fall, number of days to bottom 576 days, days to new all-time high 826. So it took that many days to recover to the old level and reach a new high. January 2004 to May 2004, 35.9% fall and 129 days to reach the bottom, 212 days to recover to new lifetime high. May-June 2006, 31.2% Nifty 50 fall, number of days to bottom 34, days to new all-time high 138. January 2008 to October 2008, 64.6%, 293 days to fall and 1869 days to reach the new all-time high. March 2015 to February 2016, 25.1% fall, 362 days for the market to fall and 379 days to reach a new lifetime high. January to March 2020, 39.6% was the fall, 64 days to bottom, so very quick fall, and then 230 days to new all-time high. Important points regarding the market fall. Point number 1, number of bear markets is equal to 8 between 1997 to 2024. So approximately every 3 years there is a bear market. Average percentage fall in the bear market is 38.5%. Average bear market duration 246 days, that is 8 months. Average number of days to recover from bottom to all-time high 495 days, that is 16 months. Point number 5, so the fall is usually much quicker at an average of 8 months but usually takes 16 months to recover. So always, if you notice, fall is happening very quickly, but when it has to recover, it goes up very gradually. This is the graph of the Nifty 50 for the last 35 years. You can see so many times there have been downs and then slowly, gradually it has gone up and reached a new high. Then again after some time there is a fall and then again there is a rally. So even in spite of all these falls, market has given good returns. Bull market does not mean that it goes up continuously. Bear market does not mean that it will go down continuously. If you observe now, even though it's a bear market, you will see that continuously it will not fall. There will be small uptrends even in the overall downtrend. In spite of so many occasions when Nifty has fallen heavily, it has still managed to recover and rally and give good returns in the long term. Nifty comprises of 50 stocks of large companies. It cannot go to zero unless all the companies close down and hence the stock prices fall to almost zero. However, some investors keep asking us whether Nifty will fall to zero whenever there is a significant fall in the markets. In fact, if you get a doubt that an index can go to zero, then your understanding of stock markets is not very good. Stocks can go to zero in worst cases, but an index can never go to zero. In the long term, 5-6 years plus, stock markets index always goes up. However, in the same period, not all stocks may give good returns. But in the short term, less than 5 years, there will be plenty of ups and downs and the investors who invest for a very short period can easily get stuck in the stock markets. So if you need money within 2-3 years, you invest it in other instruments like bank FDs or debt funds, but not in stock markets. In summary, markets go down for temporary reasons such as corona, US recession, war, high valuations and so many other reasons. But the long-term trend is always up. Share this video with all your contacts so that their fear of stock market reduces, because many people have this feeling that stock market can become zero and all their investments will become zero. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, have you ever thought of what if Nifty falls to 0? Have you had this thought in your mind? If yes, type yes in the comment section. Otherwise, type no. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.